So yeah, that's what I found from yesterday. Got two AC units to break down. So they have like couples of radiators, copper wires. So I'm all gonna separate it like as is. I have 3 heaters. Those have aluminum inside of it. So they gave me aluminum breakage because there's a bit of iron over here. I'm not gonna break those off. I learned that they all just gave copper bearing, but I have another AC2 to break down. That TV is gonna bring in the mixed steel. So cut the wire on this. I don't have that much over here, but I need to clean this up. So let's start. I had that heater too that I wanted to test, but it's been a while that I'm having it at my place, so having dust. But it's a 600 volt, so I have nowhere where I could test that shit. So I'm just gonna take the wire off, strip it, and has a bunch of copper inside of it. So yep. Another beautiful day. Weather is perfect today. You have to take care when you take off a capacitor because sometimes there's charge who's kept inside of it. So when you unplug it, don't fuck with it, you know. Just keep it in mind that maybe there's a shocking device over here. Capacitors. So yeah, there's no more Freon inside of it. Just make sure you guys So yeah, I unscrewed everything off of it. I take off the top 2 radiators. Needs to take those ends off because they're made of steel. So I'll show you a way that I easily do. I cut the noodle first, and after I smash the blade off. Take like half a second, do those. So right now, copper bearing 10 cents a pound, so I don't worth anymore with compressor with seals unit. They only gave 10 cents a pound, and I have like 11 something on shred on mixed steel, so I don't take those off anymore. I leave those for the mixed steel. But there's a thing that I didn't know and I wanted to show you guys. This little bubble over here, not always, but sometimes are made up with copper. So you scratched it. Sometimes it's gonna be shiny, not copper color, but you just scratch it. You're able to take that thing off. So just one hit. That's like almost a pound and a half of copper, so worth it. Take those off. So the only thing left is a little motor over here. It's off. There's 4 little bolts over there. It's gonna release that motor. So those are 25 cents. I think it's worth taking those off. So add another piece of wire. So I'll pass through this, show you how I take off those ends and fill out those buckets. So see you later. So it's not all of them, is made up with copper. Like one indicator easy is there's rust on it, but beside that I even scratched it and now it's shiny. It's not let's say put it side by side and you see the difference. So this one is copper till here, so I'm gonna cut it over there. As I said, there's usually freon inside of those, so watch out when you cut it. Make sure it doesn't splash in the atmosphere or in your face. So this is copper. We'll see if there's another bucket over here. Seems like it. Nah, still. So 1 on 3, not bad. I'm quite happy. It's like 2. So everything's done, and I make a nice little broom over here and show you how I deal with those. While you do this, always unplug it. all this. So over water transformer, clean radiators. Have some stainless steel over here. Took off the brass end hanging on the faucet. So dirty brass, clean brass. Number 2 copper. Number 2 insulated wire. A little load of mixed steel, so I still have to take the hands off. They won't like that one if they check it because there's a lot of plastic and styrofoam, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to drop that, so let's go to the scrapyard. There's a lot of people now. This is the place where you get paid, so you end up over there. There's 2 scales over here, one on the left and one on the right. So you enter on the right, you get weight. And when you exit, you go on the left and you get weight empty, so easy way. Not all the yard understood that they need 2 scales if they want to. Va bien, mister? Ouais, notre belle journée. 36 bucks. Not bad. I didn't add that much. It was almost all plastic and 3 compressors plus that water heating. So 36 bucks.
Bust open the walls just to get the wiring. Took the hot water tank and leftover appliances, aluminum siding, and had to come back cause the furnace so big it wouldn't fit in the back. Now it's copper by the pound, wired by the inch. Got a check on the first and it's gone by the 5th. Scrap or die, nigga.